Welcome to the latest construction update for Maimoon Gardens in JVC. Construction is progressing remarkably with over 3,500 tons of steel consumed and more than 16,000 cubic meter of concrete poured. The structural work for basement 2, including lift lobbies, water tanks, columns, and core walls has been successfully completed. Hold on, there's more. The basement 1 slab for both towers A and B has been completed, along with the structural work for the lift lobby at Tower A and Tower B. The column and core wall at Tower A are already completed, with Tower B not far behind. Now that's not all. The ground floor slab for Tower A is completed, along with the columns to Podium 1. Lift lobbies, core walls to Podium 1, steel works and shutterings are in progress. Shutterings for the ground floor slab of Tower B is currently in progress.